So we have a question here to write a program that prints all single digit numbers of base 10 starting from 0. It says followed by a new line. You are not allowed to use char. You can only use putchar function, and you can only use putchar twice in your code. Now this is a very simple question, but the only hard part is not using char. That means we're going to use int. So I'm going to show you the solution with char, and then I'm going to convert that to int. All right, so this is the solution using char. So let's build and run. You'll see it's going to work. So it's very simple when you're using char. But the problem is the question says, you can see that we have 0 to 9. But the question says we're not allowed to use char. So let's try int. Now there are two ways of doing this using int. Now the first one, I could come here and change this to int without touching anything. And I think it will still work. Let's try that out. Now you can see we still have the correct answer using int that way. Now there's also another way of solving this question with int, and that is by removing. If I remove this now, this code will not work. So when I build and run, so you can see there is no solution. So what do? I have to come here. Now I've removed the 0 that was there before. So I have to look for the character 0, the equivalent in ASCII, that's ASCII. I have to look for the equivalent of that 0 that I removed here. And the equivalent, if you go online and check, or if you've checked the material, is 48. So that means my count is going to start from 48. Now you can see we are doing less than 10. When you add 10 to 48, you're going to get 58. So here I'll have 58. Now I think the code is complete now. Let's build and run. So you can see it worked again. So I've shown you like 3 ways of solving this question using char, though that one is not allowed. So I had to use int twice, and I showed you how to do that. All right, on this channel, I explain the task. I hope you understand it, not just to copy codes. Thanks for watching, and do have a lovely day.